Hello, ladies and gents. Hello, ladies and gents. Thank you for joining in. Today's today's Monday. Just to give you a heads up, we will be testing for the next 7 days, so a full week. A crazy of a strategy requested by one of my viewers. It's a 5 seconds expiry trade strategy using the 30 seconds chart. Now, obviously, a huge risk disclaimer before we start. This is something I would recommend not to do under any circumstances. 5 second trade actually is like it's it's gambling. You might as well go to the casino and have a higher chance of winning. That being said, I always keep an open mind of all the strategies that I see or that are requested by my viewers. So we will test this thing, this disaster, for the next 7 days. I always hope that we might end this thing with a profit. That being said, the strategy does involve martingale as well. So for the last week, we tested martingale for 9 days. We ended up in a winning situation. I give it a green light as a verdict. So today, whenever also we lose a trade, we will have to double up to recover the previous trade loss and make some profits. First, let me make sure my Bluetooth is on. Let me see. Nope, it's not. Let me pair this thing. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay, you can hear me. Perfect. Disaster, yes. Yes, Sarwar, it's a disaster. I mean, I never even consider trading this with my real money, not even 1%. But I've seen it all over the place, and one of my viewers told me to test it out. So let me jump into the Excel sheet since it involves martingale as well. So 5 seconds trades on a 30-second chart plus martingale. So this is like the devil of trading, you know? So this is gonna be our cycles. Now, usually I like to do four trades in a row, but in this case, if we have a fourth loss, I will use this one as well, which is completely dangerous for $100 account. Now, this strategy is even dangerous for a $500 account. So let's give it the benefit of the doubt. So this is gonna be my first trade amount. This is the second, the third, and the fourth, and the fifth. And this is gonna be the net profit after each trade. Of course, this is net profit after recovering the losses from the previous trades as well. Without further ado, so let's go to the charts, set up the charts, and start testing this disaster. So, first things first, you need to go for the charts over here. Normal candlesticks, 30 seconds, enable timer, of course. I'll disable auto scroll since I sometimes want to see what's happening in the past without without it adjusting to the beginning. The Excel sheets aligns with yours. Yes, it's a little bit of a dangerous one. I always want to stress test any strategy that comes across my way. So these amounts are extremely, you know, dangerous. This could have been easily a 2.2 trade over here. I prefer to see the fourth trade somewhere around $11. That being said, we want to stress test, so let's put this thing under heavy pressure. Okay, so 30 seconds chart. The expiry time, which is completely out of my comfort zone over here, it's gonna be a 5 second expiry. So make sure you have the clock option over here. And oops, okay, we have to switch to OTC. So just to tell you guys, this strategy only works on OTC since you can't trade less than 1 minute on live pairs. So let's go ahead and select anything above 90%. Oops. Okay, so first thing, select all the pairs that you can find that have a minimum of 90% payout. So anything below 90%, you will end up in a loss in case you have a losing trade. Even with doubling up, you'll end up losing. So anything above 90% is okay. Now let's switch the expiry time to 5 seconds, as you can see over here as 5. Let me also show you this. So this is your expiry time, 5 seconds. Now let's explain the entry point, the strategy. The strategy actually doesn't use any indicators, so naked chart. We will use a one chart window since you have to see your candles clearly. The second, the your entry point consists of the following. Whenever you have a new 30 seconds candle opening, you wait for the first 5 seconds. So if the first 5 seconds of the 30-second candle is green, you go for a buy trade for 5 seconds expiry. If the first green, you go for a buy. Look at this handwriting. If the first 5 seconds are red, you go for a sell position for 5 seconds expiry. Quite straightforward, right? So let's begin. So personally, let me add something from my side. I will add a moving average just to see where is the pair going, just to have a little bit of a direction to go with. So I will add a layer of confirmation from my side. So if you see the price is moving below the 200 moving average, simple moving average, go for sells only. Okay, so when you see a red candle, first 5 seconds, go for 5 second sells. And if the price is moving above the 200 moving average, let me see this. So in this case, above the 200 moving average, go for buys only. So the initial strategy doesn't include the moving average thing. However, I added it just now because we need some sort of a direction. It's too random to trade. So let me find any pair that has a 92%. This has a 92%. It's above the 200 moving average, so we have an uptrend. I will wait for the second candle open and go ahead and trade 5 seconds. I want a green candle to form. Keep in mind the original strategy doesn't involve the 200 moving average. So in this case, if the second candle is red, first 5 seconds are red, you go for a sell for 5 seconds. However, let me see. This was shaky, so I avoided it. Let's wait for the second 30-second candle. This is high frequency trading. Advise you guys not to use that kind of a trading strategy at all. Let's see the second candle. Okay, first 5 seconds. It's green. Go for buy. And that's a loss. So our second, now we have to double the amount to 2.5. We wait for the second candle open. Let me make sure it's actually 2.5. Yes, it's 2.5. So we wait for the second candle open. I need a green candle. Okay. So this is green. We go for a buy. We have a loss. Let me see the third amount. Third amount is 6. So I need a green on the next candle. Green first 5 seconds. Let's see. It's a red. Red so far. It's a red. So we don't take the trade. So let's wait for the second bar to open. Of course, as always, the starting balance is 100. Let's see this one. I need a green. Okay, no green. It's a red. If you like, I can easily remove the moving average requirement, so to speak, if you want to. So we'll be testing the strategy exactly as it was requested to me. So I need a green on the next candle, 5 seconds. Let's see. No green. Okay, we don't trade. Let me enable the auto scroll. Since we are not doing any kind of technical analysis, just go with the trend. My opinion on this is to go with the trend. Let's see, I need a 5-second green on the next candle. That's it. No. Show me a green. No green. We don't take the trade. So we wait for the next bar and see if it can give us green. Oh, green 5 seconds. Let's see. No green over here as well. So we don't trade. Now keep in mind, if it wasn't because of the moving average rule that I added, you would have entered a lot of trades. So let's wait for the second bar to open. The new bar actually. We need a green. 5 seconds, we are in the green, we go for a buy. And that's a win. Love it. Let's go back to the first amount. I need a green on the second bar. Let's see if we can get a green over here. We have a green, we go for a buy. Okay, we have a win, so we stick to $1. Let's wait. Go for opposite direction. If green for first 5 seconds, go for red, vice versa. Sarwar, I will stick to the original strategy that is popular all over the place. I just added the SMA just for additional confirmation. Let's see here if we have a green. No green. Yes, green. Go for a buy. That's a loss. So we increase our trading amount 2.5. I don't want to change a lot of parameters of the strategy, just to keep the testing as genuine as possible. Let me see if we have a green. We do. Come on. That's it. We have a green. We go for a buy. That's a loss. So we change the trade amount to 6. Let's wait for the next bar. Okay. 5 seconds. Okay, we have a green. We go for a buy. And that's a loss. Let me see the fourth trade amount. 14. So we go to 14. Wait for the second bar to open. And wait for the first 5 seconds. We have a green. Keep going. Nope. Green. We go for a buy. And that's a win. Beautiful. We go back to $1 per trade and wait for a green. So this is actually a high frequency trading strategy in addition to martingale. So every time you have a loss, you should increase your trade amount as per the Excel sheet. So let's wait for the next candle open. If you just joined and you missed the explanation of the strategies, just tell me in the live chat. I'll explain again. Okay, so we have a new bar. We need a green to go for a buy. That's a green. Go for a buy. Beautiful. That's a win. We stick to the $1 amount. Also, if you are new, subscribe, click that like button. I forgot to mention trading goals. Let's see. Let's wait for the bar to open. Beautiful gap. I need green. No green, so no trade. So also today I'll be setting a $20 goal. If we reach $20, we will stop. If we lose 20, we might lose more because of the martingale. I will also stop. So let me see what's going on here. Okay, we have a support level close by. That's a green open. Go for a buy. Okay, let's increase the amount since this was a loss. So increase the amount to 2.5. Keep an eye on the payout. Let's wait for the next bar to open. It's very boring, actually. 5 seconds. In the green, that's it. Green, we go for a buy. That's the win. We go back to $1. We wait for the next bar. So we are already 8.5% up, which is nice considering all the disasters in place. I need 5 seconds of green. No green. We don't take the buy position. If you just started watching, you are taking buys since the price is moving above the 200 moving average. So we have an uptrend. So we stick to taking trades with the trend along with the other rules that we have. So let's see the next candle. That's it. Give me a green. Nope, it's a red. We don't take the trade. We are taking 5 seconds trades, very quick trades, using the 30 seconds chart. So let's see the next bar open. If you have any questions, use the live chat. Let's see, that's an opening. Green. I need 5 seconds of green. That's it. We go for a buy. That's a win. Beautiful. So we wait for the next bar. We are already 9.5% up. Now, since the price is becoming close, it's coming closer to the 200, so the market is moving downwards. I will see if I can change the pair. So here we have 5 seconds of red, so we don't take the trade. Let's wait for the next bar opening. Our goal is to reach 20% in profit. That's the opening. Beautiful. Come on. Green. That's a green. We go for a buy. Nice. Now, since the buyers, this is the first time I see three greens in a row, back to back. Notice here the pattern. Two greens. So now I see the third. I'll stick to this pair. Okay, let's see. Give me green. That's green. We go for a buy. Oops. And down on us. No problem. I'll go for $2.5. We increase the trading amount. Wait for next bar. Come on. All right. Nope. Show me the green. That's green. We go for a buy. Beautiful. Keep going. That's a win. We go back to $1. Now, this is a support. Strong. This isn't something you should do basically when you are trading strategy. You shouldn't look for these things. But here we have a demand area, powerful support level, which is why we might see buyers stepping in over here. We have 5 seconds of green over here. We take a buy. That's a loss. We go for 2.5. Wait for the next bar. Let's see. Next bar open. Do we have green? Nope. Nope. We don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. 15 seconds left. Okay. Nice rejection. Next bar open. Green. No green. Green. We go for a buy. And that's a win. Beautiful. So up to this point, we are 13% in profit. Let me see how much time did we spend trading. 11:26 until 11:40. So 14 minutes of trading. We made 13%, which is okay. So let's continue. Let's put this thing under stress. Let me go back to the $1 trade amount. Wait for the next candle open. Okay, I need a green. No green. Green. No green. So you don't do anything. So you have to wait for the first 5 seconds. If by the end of the 5 seconds you have a green, you go for a buy in this situation. Now this is changing its course. So I'll change the pair. Let's see another pair, something with a clear trend. So look at this. You have the price clearly dropping below the 200 moving average. So we'll be looking for red, in this case for sells. So let's see. Okay, so we have the bar open right now. I need red in this case. Do we have red? Nope, we don't. We don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. Hope this is making sense. I think it's easy. However, you have to be very quick. You have to keep looking at the chart. You can't, move around. Let's see, I need red. We have the red. That's it. We go for a sell. That's a loss. We double the amount to 2.5 as per the Excel sheet and wait for the next bar to open. Okay, so we want red. We have red. Nope, no red. We had green. So we don't take the trade. Let's see the next candle open. What do we have? Okay, come on. Do we have red? Yes, we do. We go for sell. That's a loss. We increase the amount to 6. Wait for the next candle open to go for a sell trade. It's a clear downtrend, so we are okay. Let's see if we can get red. Do we have red? Nope. Yes, at the last second. So we go for a sell. That's a loss. Now let's go and see. Let me check the fourth trade amount. It's 14. So we go for 14. And let's wait for the red candle. Now it's becoming risky. We have red over here. Keep going. Nope. That's green. We don't do anything. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Click that like button. If you have any questions, you can use the comments box below. If you want to join our trading team, all the links you need are in the description box. Let's see here. Okay, no red. We don't do anything. And if you join us, if you contact me on Telegram and join through our pocket option link, I have a special present for you guys, special gift, an exclusive 100% deposit bonus to jumpstart your trading career. I need the red on the next candle. Let's see. We do have red. Nope. Yes. So go for a sell. And that's a win. Beautiful. So we are up till now 16.3% up, Once I reach 120, I will stop. So we go back to $1. $1, we change the amount to your initial trade. Let's see if I can get red over here. No, it's a green. We don't do anything. Let me light up a cigarette since this is way out of my league, way out of my, you know, way of trading. This isn't something I do at all. Let me see if I can get red over here. Nope, nope. So we don't do anything. Keep in mind, I've added the 200 SMA factor to the strategy. So whenever the price is below the 200, go for sells only. If it's above the 200, go for buys. This is the only adjustment I made to the strategy as it was requested to me. Let's see if I can get red over here. Nope, no red. We don't do anything. We wait for the next bar open. 5 seconds left. Let's see. Do we have red? Nope. Yes. Yes. We go for a sell. And that's a win. So let's wait for the next bar. This is machine trading. The results are interesting though. Yes, of course. Now, keep in mind we should test for a long period of time to have uh, at least an objective statistical sample. Nope, no trade. You need at least 7 days of trading strategy to formulate or to come to a as much as possible objective conclusion. But I'm okay. Yeah, I agree with you. The results are quite interesting. Let's see if we have red over here. Yes, we do. I'll go for a sell. This is a loss. So we double the amount as per the Excel sheet to 2.5. We wait for the next candle to open. If we see red, we go for a sell. Now if I reach $20, I will switch something. Let's see if we have red. Yes, we do. Go for a sell. Nice. We have a win. Let's go back to $1, the initial amount, and see if we can enter a trade on the next bar. Let's see, do we have red? No, no, no red. So we don't do anything. Let's wait for the next bar open. Okay, so let's see. I want red. Give me red. Okay, beautiful. That's it. We go for a sell. That's a win. Okay, so I'll stop here. We reached the $20. So we made 20%. 20%. Let me see how much time did we spend trading. So from 11:26 till 11:50, that's 34 minutes of trading doing 20%. Quite decent. Now I will do something else. I will remove the additional layer of analysis that I installed, that I added to the trade, and trade the strategy as it was suggested exactly to me by one of my viewers. So whenever I have, from this point onwards, whenever I have a green, 5 seconds, I go for a buy. Whenever I have a red, first 5 seconds, I go for a sell. So up to this point, you should stop. Since the start, you should stop. Whatever I'm doing from this point onwards is going a little bit more into how the strategy was suggested to me, as raw as it was, without adding any layer of safety or technical analysis to it. So let's begin. Okay, we had a sell. We have a red first 5 seconds. That's a win. Let's wait for the next bar. Let's see. If I have green, I'll go for a buy. If I have red, I'll go for a sell. We have a green, green, go for a buy. It's a win. Let's wait for the next bar. Let's see if we can add an additional $10. So I will stop if I reach 130 in balance. We have red, red, go for a sell. Let's see if I can add an additional 10%. We have a loss, so we go for 2.5 as per the Excel sheet and wait for the next bar to open. Always keep an eye on the payout. This won't work if you have a pair that pays anything below 90% ROI. We have red, red, we go for a sell. That's a win. Beautiful. Let's go to $1 again and wait for the next bar. Quite interesting. Let's see. We have green, red, red. We go for a sell. It's a loss. So 2.5. And let's wait for the next candle open. It feels like a machine. You feel like a machine while doing it. So we have the first. Okay, that's a candle open in red, green, green. Go for a buy. That's a win. We go back to $1 as per the Excel sheet. Let's wait for the next bar open. Red, green, red, red, red. We go for a sell. And that's a win. Beautiful. We stick to the $1. Let's see the opening of the next bar. We are now 25% up. Green, red, red, red. We go for sell. That's a win. Oops, the payout dropped to 88%, 86. So let's change the pair. All right. So let's do the USD CAD OTC. We have the candle open in green, red, green. We go for a buy. That's a win. Fantastic. Let's wait for the next candle open. Let's see if it's gonna give us green or red. For those of you who are just logging in, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, use the live chat. We have red, green, red. Okay, I'll go for red. This was a complete mess. 2.5, we increase the balance as per the Excel sheet. If you missed the strategy explanation, you can watch us on replay, and I can explain it to you as well if you missed the explanation. So let's see the next candle. Candle open, green, green, green. We go for a buy. That's a refund, so I'll stick to 2.5. That's a refunded trade. I'll stick to 2.5 and wait for the next bar open. Let's see. Red. Okay, powerful red. We go for a sell. Come on. Come on. It switched to green the very last second. And it's a win. Okay, let's go back to the first trade amount, which is 1. And wait for the next bar. This thing played hide and seek with us. Okay, we have red. Red as well. Come on. Red. Go for a sell. That's a refund. We stick to the $1. Let's wait for the second bar. I mean, guys, this is so funny. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at this gap. Red, red, red. I'll go for a sell. This is gonna reject at some point. That's it. It rejected. 2.5. You see the gap. Whenever you have a gap like this, expect a huge rejection at some point. So 2.5. So this trade is actually beyond anything what I wouldn't take it on a normal day. Let's see here. Green, we have green. Red, we go for sell. That's a win. I'll take one last trade. Let's see. It's a video game. It's like a video game, exactly. Let's see the opening. Okay, we have green, green, green. We go for a buy. Also, this is also something I wouldn't take for a buy, since this gap up after a red power bar. I won't take. I wouldn't take this for a buy usually. Let's add the amount to 2.5 as per the Excel sheet and wait for the next candle open. See, it rejected big time. We have green, green. We go for a buy. That's a loss. So increase the amount to 6 and wait for the next candle open. Nice. If it gives me a green, I will go for it. Give me a green. Red. Green, red, green. Okay, we go for a buy. All right, we have a win. I'll call the strategy hide and seek. I call it the hide and seek. So, guys, we made 31.5% using this crazy strategy. How much time did it take for us to reach the 31%? We started at 11:26. Now it's 12. So 34 minutes. 34 minutes, we were able to make 31%. return on investment. If you just logged in, if you just started watching the live stream, let me repeat the risk disclaimer. This is a very dangerous strategy. I started the session by adding a layer of confirmation for us to use, which was the 200 simple moving average, which is something I use everywhere on Forex, stocks, binary options, anything. So why I add the 200 simple moving average? Because if the price is below the 200 simple moving average, I only take sell trades. And if the price is above the 200 moving average, I only take buy trades. And you should only stick to pairs that have at least 90% payout. Okay, so the rules are very quite straightforward. We are using the 30 seconds chart time frame, and also the trade expiry time is 5 seconds only. 5 seconds trade expiry. The rules are when you should wait for a new candle open. If the candle opens, if the new candle opens and give you the first 5 seconds in green, you go for a buy. If it gives you the first 5 seconds in red, you go for a sell. So that's it. That's the strategy. That is how it was suggested to me by the viewer. Personally, I added the moving average, the 200 moving average, just to add a certain level of confluence, a certain direction to stick with. Now, both ways it proved to be profitable. So the first day, statistical data to at least give the verdict on the seventh day, at least to be a little bit objective and give the strategy a chance to prove itself or not to prove itself. So far it's a winning day, $30, 31% in 34 minutes, which is quite nice. However, don't jump and go ahead and trade this with your real money. Test it on a demo account. Test it using the tournament. The tournament, guys, is something is free. There's a free tournament on Pocket Option. Let me show you this. Why is it gray over here? So you can see the tournaments over here. This one is free to join, even if you don't have any deposit in your account. It lasts for 10 hours. The tournament lasts for 8 hours. Your starting balance is 100. So if you want to test a strategy, stress tested without risking your own money, tournament is a smart option. And if you are able to reach the first three positions, the first prize is $125 in cash, withdrawable. The second position is 75, and the third is 50. In case, you the tournament ended and you are within these top three positions. Last week, using the martingale, I was able to reach the position 9. Imagine, I traded the whole day. I reached the position 9 over here, which is quite decent. Because let me show you how many traders are actually joining the tournament or playing the tournament. Let me see. Look at this: 5,600 participants. Now, throughout the day, the participants will increase. You will always see something around 9,000. So the day I ended the day at position 9. It was 9 out of 9,000 traders, which is quite fantastic to say the least. It's a shame they don't. They should be paying the first 10 actually. The tournament will become more appealing. It's very unfair since there are 9,000 participants. To pay only the first three is a bit unfair. Something nice would be the first 10, for example. Okay, so if you have any questions, this is the time. Since we traded our strategy and concluded the first day of testing it, if you have any questions, this is the time for you to do so. I'll give you a few minutes. I can't believe how easy we made the money today. And just to inform you, we before going live on YouTube, I just finished my trading with the VIPs. I sent four signals today. We won three out of four. That's a 75% win rate. Personally, myself, as a binary options trader for the past 5 years, my optimum style of trading is taking 5 to 10 trades per day only, no more than that. Now, for the past month, I've been sending 5 to 4 trades per day for my VIPs. The majority of the time we are winning. Today we won 3 out of 4. Yesterday the same thing. We have most of the time 4 winning days, 1 losing day. So the majority of the time we are in profit. If you want to join us, all the links you need are in the description box. If you contact me on Telegram, my contact details is also in the description box. I have a special gift for you guys, 100% deposit bonus. So in case you are trading the martingale and your budget is 200 to 250, 100% deposit bonus will give you a $500 balance to start with using the martingale we've tested last week. So you will be in a good starting point. So, all right, since I see no questions, thank you for watching the live, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, testing the same strategy. Thank you and goodbye.